Hey everybody, out here feeding our fish, and they're getting a little bit bigger. I gave them some their crackers this morning, and they're all down here eating away. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, a whole bunch of them. My camera can't really catch them for y'all, but they're getting a little bit bigger, and they're doing good after the rain. Are all just swimming. Real happy with the other fish. We're all gathered in this corner this morning, eating the bugs and everything like they do. These are our goldfish. I was just checking them up uh, after the rain and giving them some food for you all. God bless. I hope you enjoy. Love you all. Hope you can see them. They're just swimming away good down there. Do a little zoom. Love you all.